Can you please turn on muna your camera? And I want to see everyone muna kasi, ah, yun. Ano tayo ngayon? Virtual. Nasaan kayo? Ako, nasa Pasig. Sino dito mga nasa Taytay? Sino dito nasa
Taytay.
Binangonan? Ayun. Si Alicia, bumabiyahe pa. Meron dito taga Isabela. Hi, Ronnie. As far as Isabela. Ayan. Nasaan pa yung iba? Nasaan kayo? Chat or unmute yourself? Ayan, Taytay. O mga taga Binangonan, Team Rizal. Bulacan, Bulacan, Bulacan. Baliwag, Bulacan. And all the Bulacan. Mga taga Pasig, Malabon. O, di ba? Binangonan. Yun. Pasig, Bulacan. Caloocan. Uy, Jo. Caloocan represent. Yan. Ayun. So, before we start, okay, I'd like to, konting reminders lang sa important dates to remember for the whole branch. Okay. Ito, this training will be done starting this Thursday, 7:30 and to 8:30 lang siya via Zoom starting today, and then it will run every Thursday until March 5, okay? So think, train, transform. Ayan, T3. Ayan, to help everyone elevate their skill and transform them into actual results. Yan naman pinaka-important. Okay? So, sa upcoming dates na paparating na Thursdays, ito yung mga topics natin. So, for today, goal setting tayo. For the next Thursday, sales cycle. So, that's prospecting, setting appointment up to handling objections. Okay? And then on the 29th, product training tayo. We will focus on this Thursday, yung mga high or top selling traditional plans natin, which is Sunfit and Well Advantage, yung sa critical illness, and then yung SSI or Sun Secure Income, yung may guaranteed payouts. Okay? And then yung next week naman will be on VUL, yung mga top selling VUL plans natin, yung Maxi Prime, Maxi 100, and yung kaka-launch lang last year around November ba? October or November, yung Easy Link. Okay? Yung guaranteed insurability offer natin na pwede i-offer even sa mga may pre-existing conditions. Okay? Na hindi before allowable, technically. Ayun. So, Feb 12, I've invited a speaker, okay? She will be teaching us about how to sell live on TikTok sa social media platform na yon. And then the following week, maximizing your other social media platforms, Facebook, IG, kasi iba yan eh. Sa tingin ko iba ang strategy, iba ang content per SOCMED platform. Ayan. And then sa Feb 26, it's creating new markets. That's me. And then ihiwalay ko siya on March 5, it's about habits to success. Okay? And then, ang gagawin natin, Feb 5 and then March 5, may mga market updates tayo. Care of our Professor Rafi Hernandez on those dates.
Order 661. 163.
Ay, ayan. Okay, and then, please note, yung sa mga rookies, we will have a face-to-face rookie training January 31 sa office, 8 a.m. to 1 p.m. Please register sa inyong mga UMs. And then last, before we start, okay, last na, kasi request ni BM, please register, please register sa branch meeting natin on January 24, okay? So, sa January 24, our branch meeting will be 8 a.m. sa Greenfield Tower, ayan. So, please look for the QR code sa ating TG or Telegram group. Okay? Kasi ang speaker natin to start of the year is Randy Flores. Okay? He is the one who closed yung 64 or 65 million premium unang year, sa 10 years na ibabayad ni client sa unang taon, 64 million premium for a 1 billion insurance coverage. I want that, Lord. Please bless me. So anyway, before we get too excited, our topic for today is parang it will dictate the success of our year, 'di ba? And to help us how to set our goals right and yung action plans natin is none other than our multi-awarded unit managers from, of course, Warrior Sales Team, Janica Arvisu and Irish Alarcon. Ayan, take it away, ladies.
Yan. Hello everyone! Ano to? Wait lang ha. Dahil nakaano lang pala tong ko, magpe-present ako from my... Nakihiram lang ako ng laptop kasi today. Wait lang. I will be... Interview. Ayan. Okay. Ayan. So today, we're going to be focusing on goal setting. So kami ni Irish, ni Irish of Nights will be the one that will be focusing on that topic. Sige, mag-share screen ako. Wait lang, share screen. And then I will also spotlight kami ni Irish. Wait lang. Ayan. So, ayan. So, today, we're gonna be focusing on goal setting. Okay? Kita nyo naman yung screen? Kita ba? Okay naman. Ayan.
Yes.
So, very important kasi tong goal setting for everyone. Kahit ano naman ang ginagawa nyo, it's very important na magawa mo kasi to eh. So, before we go on to our topic, we're going to be showing our credentials lang, no? So, first of all, yan, si Irish. So, she is the unit manager of Knights, no? So, si Knights. And she was a graduate of business admin, no? Major in financial management in USD. And she was a former financial analyst from JP Morgan and Macquarie. O, diba? Shala. Diba? And she has also been one of the very, very consistent awardee since 2016. She is a Grand Slam awardee. So, kumbaga, walang palya every quarter since 2016, lagi siyang medalyon. She's also a Macaulay Club member since 2017 and also an IQA or International Quality Awardee. So, if yung calling card nyo in Sun Life, merong ganyan, it means that your business in Sun Life is really good kasi your clients are continuously paying for their premiums. So, ayun, kaya IQA awardee, ganyan siya. And of course, she's also an MDRT. Yan, ever since, kahit nung nung agent siya, and even as manager, nag-MDRT din siya. And she's been at 2022 and 2023 AAA awardee manager. So, ayan, ito yung ina-award yan sa mga manager na merong na-hit ang kanilang unit. And of course yan, siya ang leader ng Knights. So, pag nakikita nyo yung Knights, ayan, kapag kunyari nag-branch meeting or sales meeting, ang leader nila ay si Irish. So, yun.
Ayan, good evening everyone. Thank you for that wonderful, taray wonderful, background, UMJA. So, our other speaker naman for tonight, so hi muna. Again, I'm Irish. Is UMJA. For sure, lahat kayo kilala sa UMJA kasi siya talaga yung nakakabag ng all the major awards, MAPA advisor and MAPA manager. So, she is a graduate of BS Biochemistry, major in food chemistry. So, isa siya sa patunay na hindi kailangan ng background mo na align with finance or sales para maging successful ka dito sa career natin. So, she's also a Grand Slam awardee since 2016. And mga batchmates kami, mga pioneer ng Warriors. And a consistent Macaulay Club member since 2016. And not just local Macaulay Club member, but consistent international Macaulay Club member siya. So, hindi lang Shangri-La Boracay yung pinupuntahan niya, but all the international location, travel destination ng Macaulay Club. So, Asia galore talaga siya. And also an international quality awardee. So, based nga kayo, MJ, kapag meron kang award na to, quality ang business mo. So, you are maintaining the lives and persistency ng mga clients mo. A consistent MDRT and COT since 2016. So, COT, by the way, guys, is times 2 ng MDRT. Ayan, di ba? And a consistent Producers League 2016. Ito yung highest award ni Sun Life sa advisor. Internal. And a 2023 AAA awardee manager. So, hindi lang siya excellent as an advisor, but she's also an excellent unit manager. Financial manager. Siyempre, siya ang prettiest unit manager of favored unit. So, take it away, UM
Yan. Thank you so much, UM Irish. So this, yung talk namin ni UM Irish, it's going to be 2 parts, and at the same time, we'll be sharing how we do it kasi. Kasi importante na, before we became managers, of course, we became advisors. And at the same time, kahit naman na manager kami ngayon, we're still advisors. We still sell, we are still doing our personal selling, 'di ba? So, kumbaga, how do we do it and what made us successful na lang in this industry? Because we truly believe that success is repeatable. Okay? Lagi niyo tandaan 'yan, success is repeatable naman. I think most of the people here, especially yung mga dati ng advisor, has already heard our talk na to before, but I hope this would serve as a refresher for everyone. Okay? Very important to na lagi nyo itong tandaan, you're always one decision away from a totally different life. So everything that you do, you have to know that whatever decision you make every single day, it matters. So if you wake up early, if meron kang certain food na kinain, 'di ba? Lahat 'yan, even naman your career choice right now. The reason why you're here in our group, in Sun Life, and specifically in Star Magnolia branch and even in your own units, no? It's because of a certain decision. And any decision in your life will really determine a whole lot of the trajectory of your entire future, 'di ba? And that is the same when it comes to our goals. I'm sure pag tinanong ko dito, if I ask who here wants to become an MDRT, alam ko lahat tayo dito magtataas tayo ng kamay, 'di ba? But how do we do it? What have we been doing every single day that helps us to achieve that goal? Diba? So what is a goal? It is the object of a person's ambition or effort, an aim or a desired result, the end toward which effort is directed. Life goals are all the things you want to accomplish in life. So very important na ma-determine mo kung ano yung goal na yan. 'Di ba? So, ito, very important. I've always told this in a lot of talks. Yung kay Alice in Wonderland. Sabi kasi dito sa story, ito yung sa book mismo niya. One day, Alice came to a fork in the road and saw a Cheshire cat in a tree. Si Alice, she asked, "Which road do I take?" He responded, si Cheshire, "Where do you want to go?" "I don't know," Alice responded. "Then, it doesn't matter." So, pinapakita lang ng story na to na si Alice, when she was asked, saan mo gusto pumunta? And then she said lang na, "I don't know." Eh di, doesn't matter kung saan man i-point niya. So, ganun din when it comes to our goal. That's why it's important that we set something. At the beginning of the year, I think most of you already nag-one-on-one na kayo sa UMs ninyo, di ba, sa mga managers ninyo. It's important for us to do that, hindi lang naman siya yung parang basta lang na, oh, nag-one-on-one tayo, ganun. It's important for you to set a goal because it's important that you have a trajectory of where you want to go. Hindi naman nagiging aksidente na parang, oops, ayan, nagkaroon ako ng 200,000 AC or nagka 50,000 AC ako. Meron kasing naging goal at merong mga steps into it. So, importante that you set a goal. So, ngayon, the next thing that we have to ask is, what or who is your why? Para kanino ka ba bumabangon? Yun yung tanong. It is the purpose, cause, or belief that drives every one of us. Yan yung sabi ni Simon Sinek dun sa book na Find Your Why. So it cannot be bought by money. Dapat yung what or who nyo. Maybe it's peace of mind. Maybe it's giving a really, a great future for your, for your loved one, no? 'Di ba? Kasi pwede mo sabihin na, ang why mo makapagtapos ng pag-aaral yung anak mo. Pero ang deeper why is you want a good future for your children. 'Di ba? Isa naman, parang, gusto ko maka-afford na makabili ng kotse. Find a deeper why na hindi nabibili ng pera. So, siguro ang masasabi ko kung gusto mo ng kotse, you want a more comfortable living or a way to go around Metro Manila with your kids, 'di ba? So parang ganun siya, something that cannot be bought by money. And dito sa kasi nabasa ko kasi itong book Find Your Why, ito siya. Meron kasing pinakita doon on how to set goals kasi. So there is why, how, and what. Very important yung pinaka-inner core niya, which is the why. So it is the core, and why are you doing the things you do every day? So why? Ano ba? Bakit mo ba siya ginagawa? Bakit ka ba gumigising sa umaga? Bakit ka ba pumapasok sa work mo? Bakit ka ba nag-exercise, 'di ba? So it's the core, 'di ba? Why are you doing the things that you do? The next one is the how. How can I make my why's dream a reality? 'Di ba? So how are you gonna do it? And then the outer one is what will I do every day to achieve the hows for my whys? So execution na siya. Nagigets nyo ba yung what? 'Di ba? Ano yung gagawin ko araw-araw para ma-achieve ko yung how, 'di ba? Para sa mga why ko. So, for example lang, ang why ko, for example, I wanna live long. I wanna live long, to see my grandchildren, to my great-grandchildren. So, how will I do that? 'Di ba? How can I make my dream a reality? I need to exercise yung how ko. And then what? What will I do every day? So, I need to walk every day, 'di ba? I need to walk every day at least minimum 5,000 steps so that I can achieve a healthier lifestyle. Nagigets nyo ba? Kasi sometimes nangyayari, people stop with the how, with the system. Pero ano yung execution? That is very important, 'di ba? Paano ako magiging healthy? Mag-exercise ako. Yun, stop na. Pero what are you going to do every day is what matters kasi. Kailangan may action, may execution. So, very important to, may 1, 2, and 3. I suggest that you maybe take a screenshot and maybe do this on your own time so that you can dig deep on ano ba yung sa inyo? Ano ba yung, why are you doing this? Why did you join? Bakit ba kayo nag-join dito? Pwede naman kayo sa original work nyo, 'di ba? Pwede naman na isa lang work nyo, why are you doing this? And dig deep, dapat kasi yung why nyo, hindi nabibili ng pera, 'di ba? Gusto mong bumili ng mas magandang bahay, iibahin mo lang yung terms, sabihin mo na, I want peace of mind and safety for my family in the new home that I'm going to be living in, o 'di ba? So, ganun siya. Maganda yung why mo, hindi siya nabibili ng pera. Okay? So, ngayon, ang question ko, what or who is your why? Kung may sagot na dito, baka pwede nyo naman i-chat, i-share nyo siya para malaman namin kung ano yung mga why nyo. Kasi pwede namang para sa sarili mo, you want to be more confident. 'Di ba? You want to be more confident, you want to be more, you wanna build yourself. Ayan. So there can be a lot of of reasons kung ano yung who or what mo naman, 'di ba? Sige, so can anyone share sa chat? Can you please chat? Ano yung ano nyo? What or who is your why? Is it your family? Sabi mo, ano ba? Anto, you want peace of mind for your family? You want to live long? Ano pa ba? Yan. So, si Maan, yan, me and my family yung sa kanya. So, sino pa? Ayan. So, chat nyo lang para lang nagkakaroon kayo ng internal like thought on bakit ba kayo nandito? Why are you doing this? Ayan, si SM Kiss nag-chat siya. Si Machi and si Maki. Ayan, sila Joanne. Ayan, yung kids niya. Sila Tess. To provide and give the best life for my kids. Yan. So, yun, yung kay Tess, very good yun kasi yun, to provide and give the best life. 'Di ba? So, protection for me and my family is also great. Ayan, kay Ana. Ayan, and my kids. So, yan. So, di ba, ang daming pwede. So, maganda na ganun siya. Now, so, na-identify na natin yung why. Let's go to the how. Let's proceed with the how. So, ayan ha, take note nyo to. I hope that you guys do this later on. Dyan sa mga, ano ba yung, ako kasi lagi kapag may dala akong notebook, ngayon naman iPad. No? So, I write things down kasi, kunyari, November na, binabalikan ko yung notes ko ng January. Yan. So, lahat to, hopefully, you will remember. Diba? Now, let's proceed with the how. The how creates the system on reaching our goals. It answers the question, how can I make my wise dream a reality? 'Di ba? System. Kailangan may sistema ka. And what system should I use? Yun yung laging nating tinatanong 'di ba? So, very important na may how kayo kasi for example lang yan, let's go to Sun Life Goal ha, para on track tayo. If you want to become MDRT, hindi naman aksidente na nangyayari yan. Importante, lagi kang may strategy, lagi kang may system on how to do it. Okay? Importante merong how are you gonna do it? Hindi parang basta lang na gumigising ka araw-araw, siguro magkikliyente ako today. Siguro magaganito ako today. Imposible naman yun, 'di ba? And at the same time, ang systems ha, it changes each time because 'di ba yan nga nag-iiba yung market. Nung time ng nag-last na nag-talk kami ni Irish, it was the pandemic lockdown. Paiba-iba ang sistema nung time na yon. So, kumbaga, ang systems, it can change through time. Okay? You have to continuously review it. Kasi if the plan doesn't work, you change the plan, but not the goal. 'Di ba? Kung gusto mo mag-MDRT at the end of it, kung gusto mo magbigay ng peace of mind for your family, 'di ba? Hindi naman mag-iiba yung goal mo na yan eh. Kung ang goal mo ay peace of mind, tas may nangyaring kakaiba, ano yun, ayaw mo na ng peace of mind sa kanila, 'di ba? Hindi naman, 'di ba? So you just change the way or the system on how you're going to get that. So that's the very important thing. Okay? So Irish will be focusing on that on the next slides. So siya na dito on the house and the systems on how you can do it first. Ayan.
Yes, I agree, UM So, by the way, again, guys, I am Irish. So, mag-hi-hi tayo pag nakita tayo sa pag may mga branch events. So, dagdag ko lang din, tama na if the plan doesn't work, change the plan, not the goal. So, when it comes dun sa why, no, that's the first thing about, kumbaga, siya yung magpa-fuel ng mga dreams natin. Make sure, guys, na when you set a goal, dapat sobrang lalim ng why. Para kapag may mga challenges, obstacles, or kung ano man ang synonyms ng challenges, ang dumating sa inyo, sobrang tatag ng goal nyo, sobrang tatag ng dreams nyo. Na okay, ang why.
Ay, na-mute ka, Irish. Nawala.
Sinong joke lang. So, meron ako nakita dito to provide and give the best life for my kids from Tess Valencia. Ayan. So, yan dapat, Tess, sobrang strong dapat ng why mo na yan. Para kapag pupunta na tayo sa mga next steps, mas sisipagin at mas magiging malakas yung loob natin na harapin kung ano man yung mga challenges at syempre the rewards na dadating. Promise guys, it will always be worth it kasi yung mga wise na sinabi nyo is for your loved ones. Ayan. So, syempre, pupunta na tayo sa part ng system. Ay, wait. Ako na lang muna pala ang mag-share ng screen yun. Okay lang para mag-next pa. Stop share na lang. Thanks! So, wait. Ganito talaga pag live, no? Sige. Wait lang. Yan. So, pupunta naman tayo, diba, kanina naisip nyo na ano na yung mga reason bakit natin gagalingan sa life, no? Or kumbaga kung saan tayo papunta. So, syempre, parang ways yan, no? Sa mga nagda-drive dyan, syempre, lagi nyong iniisip, no? O, ipipin nyo muna, o saan ako pupunta? Ayan. So, syempre, paplanuhin nyo yung ruta papunta dun. So, number 1 is, ito, I'm speaking for myself. Ito yung ginagawa ko kapag nag-goal setting ako. So, you should have mind and mood setting. Number 1, parang ano, no, sino ditong nakakaalala pa sa Blue's Clues? So, find your thinking chair. So, ito, inspired ako ng kapatid ko dito, yung special child kong kapatid, kasi favorite niya yung thinking chair. Ayan. So, have your thinking chair. So, sa lugar kayo pumupunta or saang part ng bahay nyo na kapag pumupunta kayo doon, not specifically naman upuan talaga, but kapag may part ng bahay nyo na pag nandun ako, para bang nakaka-relax ako. Parang nakakapag-isip ako ng tama. May iba akong kakilala nakakapag-isip sila ng maayos kapag nagda-drive sila. May iba akong kakilala kapag nagko-coffee shop. May iba akong kakilala kapag nasa terrace sila or balcony ng bahay. Ayun mo lang kaming balcony o terrace o sa CR, di ba? Sa mga mommies dyan, kung saan doon ng pinaka baka me time nyo. Or hanap kayo ng lugar kung saan talagang pag nandun kayo, may peace kayo, makakapag-isip kayo, makakapagplano kayo. Share ko lang ako, meron akong, ang thinking chair ko talaga is dati sa coffee shop. Tapos meron akong certain area doon, inaantay kong mawala yung nakaupo para doon ako magpaplano. Ganun kalala yung thinking chair ko. But come pandemic, ngayon kahit saan na. Yan. And syempre, number 2, you always pray. God, please pray for I'm praying for direction, for, kumbaga, right heart, right decision, di ba? Always pray, guys. Parang, I think this is the most important first step na gagawin nyo. Always ask for direction and syempre, magpa-lead talaga tayo kay Lord kasi His ways and plans are always higher than our ways and plans. And syempre, hindi naman kayo pupuntang thinking chair lang para magkape, di ba? Set the time to think and reflect. That's the time na kung saan isusulat nyo ano ba yung goals nyo this year, paano mo ba siya gagawin, ganyan. Hindi naman kailangan ng whole day. I think 30 minutes to 1 hour is the most effective hour ng pagre-reflect or pagpa-plan. Anything more than that, tinatamad na lang kayo sa ibang gusto nyo na lang talagang magkape. Okay? So far, learning guys. And syempre, kapag nandun na kayo sa thinking chair nyo, nakaupo na kayo, nagre-reflect na kayo, let me share ano yung ginagawa ko. So, pwede nyo din siyang gayahin, diba? So, habang nasa thinking chair kayo, ano nga bang gusto ko? O, paano ko naman siya magagawa? Ito yung madalas na na-mention ni UMJ kanina, lahat tayo gusto natin maging maganda yung buhay natin. Tama? Parang akong kilalang ay okay, parang gusto ko hindi maganda yung buhay ko. Parang hindi naman gano'n, 'di ba? Gusto ko marami akong utang, parang gusto ko ito na lang ako forever. Parang wala naman gano'n. All of us wants to have a good life, hindi lang para sa sarili but for our family as well. But ang nagkakaiba dun sa mga successful or hindi is the planning and execution. Okay, yung iba nag-stop na, ay gusto ko lang. Pero kapag magpaplano na paano pumunta dun, bukas na lang or next time. Yeah, okay na yan. God will lead me, God will provide na lang. Ganyan, di ba? So, ang ginagawa ko, nagsusulat ako ng 2 types of goals. Yan. Ito, alam ng team ko yan. Lagi ko silang tinatanong ng short-term and long-term goals nila. Kasi it's very important. Okay? So, sulat nyo, ano yung short-term goals nyo? So, ngayon pa lang, pwede nyo nang isipin. When you say short-term goals, dito sa trabaho natin, it's the quarterly goals. But in life, nasa 3 to 5 years yan. So, sino ba si Mylene Kaakbay 3 to 5 years from now? Diba? So, when you say long-term naman, dito sa work natin, it's 1 year. But sa life, sabi, it's 7 years talaga. So, sino ba si Alicia Tolentino 7 years from now? Ano na ba siya? Yan. So, always envision your future. Okay? So, if naisip nyo na kung ano yung mga gagawin natin, so, i-breakdown naman natin. So, syempre, lahat naman tayo nandito sa lifer, di ba? Hindi ba sa lifer dito? So, lagi yung kumbaga itutugma na lang yung what is the quantitative equation to our system. So, itutugma nyo na lang yung short-term and long-term goals natin dito sa Sun Life, 'di ba? So sabi ko nga kanina, ang short-term goals ay quarterly, ang long-term goals ay 1 year. So ako kapag nag-goal setting ako, Star Magnolia, sasabihin ko Nights lang kausap ko. So Star Magnolia, lagi ako nag-start sa long-term goals. May iba akong kakilala, nag-start sila short-term muna, tas pinapuzzle nila to long-term. Ako, nag-start ako sa long-term goals. Kaya ang inuna natin dito is long-term goals. So guys, what is your long-term goals dito sa Sun Life? Ayan. So ito, this is a sample vision board na kung saan pwede nyo ding gayahin. Tapos, parang diba kung ano nga daw yung lagi mong nakikita. Ayan, parang pinagpipray natin na Lord, give that to me. Kini-claim na natin yan na mapupunta yan sa atin. So, paki-chat naman sa chat box, what is your long-term goal here in Sun Life? MDRT ba? Producers League? Macaulay? Ayan, can you share? Hala, nagdi-dinner na ata sila SM. PL, MDRT. PL is Producers League. Macaulay, MDRT, PL. Wow, MDRT. Yan. Thank you sa mga nag-share ng mga goals nila, MDRT. Italy, wow! Italy, yeah. Italy is Producers League. Maging TOT and AAA format to have a pleasure trip. Italy, sama. TOT. Yan, go. Ano daw yung thought, no? That's TOT, top of the table. That's 3 times of MDRT. Thank you for sharing, guys. Ayan. So, dahil na-determine nyo na ano ang long-term goals nyo dito kay Sun Life. So, let's say, ayan, ito yung mga biggest award din. MDRT, ayan. And then, ito naman yung mga Sun Life travel destination nung mga goals na tinipe nyo kanina. So, dun sa mga gustong mag-Producers League, alam nyo ba na ang travel destination this year para sa mga nag-aim na mag-Producers League ay sa Florence, Italy. Ayan, Italy. Yan. 'Di ba? All expense paid travel. Guys, ang ano niyo lang ang gagastusin nyo lang papuntang airport. Literal, papunta tsaka yung bahay nyo. Ganun. The rest, pag nasa travel na kayo, wala talaga kayong gagastusin. Sa mga nagsabi naman na Macaulay naman sila, you have 2 options. You have local and international. So, ang local, by the way, guys, is sa Shangri-La, Boracay lang naman. Diba? The top resort in Boracay. And then sa international Japan, it's Fukuoka, Japan. Guys, yung mga visa dito mabilis lang talagang ayusin ni Sun Life. So, ayan na natin. So, ngayon, okay, yan na yung mga long-term goals natin. And then sa mga gusto AAA, I think this year di pa na-release, but it's French Riviera last year. So sa MDRT naman, I think it's LA ata this year, no? If I'm not mistaken. So guys, yung mga goals na shinare nyo kanina, alam nyo ba na meron silang mga corresponding travel na kasama? So nag-hit nyo na yung goal nyo, may kasama pang travel. Ayan. And then, ito naman yung, inuna ko talaga yung yung incentive para malaman nyo kung gaano siya ka-worth it. So, dahil nga, alam nyo na ba, gusto nyo mag-MDRT, alam nyo ba kung ilan dapat ang commission para mag-MDRT? Ilan dapat ang commission para mag-Producers League? For MDRT this year, it should be 1.759,200,000. So, 1.8 million nyo na. 'Di ba? Grabe ang yaman niyo nun, Star Magnolia. Since ang goal lang, ang vision ng branch natin is 50 MDRTs or 50 millionaires. 'Di ba? Let's focus sa MDRT 1.8. Ang daming magiging milyonaryo at milyonarya sa branch natin. Ang tanong, isa ba kayo doon? Isa ba kayo doon, Star Magnolia? Ako, kiklaim ko na yun. Isa ako doon ng BM, Isa ako doon sa 50. Ayan. And then for Producers League naman, it's 2 million for one whole year. Yan. So, dapat alam niyo yung mga numbers nyo, guys. And syempre, that's the long-term goal in our work. So, dahil nga alam niyo na yung long-term goal, paano tayo makakapunta doon? Kasi sometimes, it's overwhelming. How can I hindi ko kaya. O, di ba? Nag-goal na nga kayo, tapos biglang nag-doubt. Ang laki pala, ayoko na pala mag-MDRT, ang laki pala, ayoko na pala mag-Producers League. But ang good news, guys, pwede po natin yung himay-himayin. So, sometimes, kapag na-overwhelm kayo sa isang bagay, kung, di ba, parang, sa pagkain, sa mga kumakain dyan, kapag isang chunk ng chicharon yung kinain nyo, ang sakit sa ngipin, di ba, pwedeng mabungi pa kayo. So, ang gagawin natin, unti-unti, di ba, para mas madali natin siyang ma-consume. So, ganun din sa goals. Paunti-unti or step by step natin siyang aayusin. So, dito naman sa atin, we have a quarterly, monthly, and weekly goals. O, di ba? Ngayon na natin long term, tapos ngayon naman yung short term. So, MDRT is the end goal din kasi nga 50 millionaires ang goal ni BM. MDRT is the end goal, but quarterly
Kasi wala.
contest. Ayan. But quarterly contests are the stepping stone. Tara, may stepping stone tayo. So, hihimayin natin sa 4 na quarter ang isang buong taon. So, we have 4 contest periods, especially sa mga rookies. January to mid-March, that's Love Month. April to June, summer campaign. July to September is the 3rd quarter, and the last quarter is October to December. Ayan. So, himay-himay. So, kung 1.8 million, i-divide lang natin siya into 4 quarters. So, magkano yon? That's more likely 450, tama ba? Or kulang-kulang 500,000 per quarter. 500,000 per quarter nyo na. Okay? Ayan. So, ito naman yung quarterly contest natin. Iniba na, guys. Nakita nyo na ba sa mga email nyo kung paano na ang medallion mechanics ngayong quarter? So, syempre, dahil MDRT ang goal natin, that's 1.8 million. So, hahatiin natin siya sa 4. Dapat nagpa-platinum tayo kasi kung bronze lang, nakita nyo 50K lang, hindi tayo abot ng 1.8. So, you should be at least platinum medallion qualifier every quarter. So, dapat nag-range ka sa platinum 2 and platinum 3. So, to be exact, dapat nagma-monthly ka ng 150,000. So, wait, ito double check ko ha. Baka ma-audit tayo ng mga magagaling sa math dyan. So, 1.8 million divided by 12, it's 150,000 per month. So, dapat nga every quarter nagpo-450 ka. So, i-600 mo na para platinum 3 ka. So, ang weekly dapat na income natin is 37,500. Guys, monthly na 150,000 per month, wala pang plan B. Gusto nyo ba to? Are you happy with this income? Are you happy? Para alam ko nakikinig pa kayo, guys, pa-chat naman dyan. Are you happy? Grabe, yung mga goals nyo kanina na you want a better or a brighter life sa families nyo, maraming mabibili nun, 150. Kung gusto nyo syempre masilakihan, edi lakihan nyo pa, mag-Producers League tayo. Ayan. 37,500 weekly, yung iba sahod na yun ng 1 month. Dito, gagawin lang natin siya ng weekly. And, ayan. So, hihimayin pa natin siya, Kung weekly, 37,500 nga yan. So, paano, ilang tao ang ipapa-insure ko, UMI Rich, para makuha yung 37,500? So, it's up to you. Kung tatlong lives yan, tatlong tao ang ipapa-insure nyo, dapat ang focus nyo, dapat ang commission ko dito, 12,500 AC. Or mga 25K premium, mga 25 to 30K premium, dapat pala ang isang taong kinuklose ko. Yan. Eh, paano UM kung 1.5 lang? Damihan mo yung lives para ma-hit mo yung 37,500. Diba? Or kung gusto mo naman ng mas maliit na AC tas mas maraming lives o yung 37,500, hatiin mo sa 5 para magkaroon ka ng, so kung 7.5 yun, 37,500 pa rin ang result. Diba? So, ito na yung kanina. Same goal, pero iba yung plano. Hindi may iba yung, hindi. Same goal, pero same goal para, tama ba ko? O, naiba yung plano, pero same goal pa rin na 37,500. O, kung gusto nyo pa ng 10 lives, edi mas liliit yung AC. Yan nga lang, mas pagod tayo kasi mas marami tayong pepersentan. Okay? So, ngayon pala, dapat kung gusto ko mag-MDRT, tapos 5 lives per month yung i-close ko, dapat para 7.5, weekly pala, so dapat pala 7.5 AC ko, no? Or dapat 30K premium, parang dun na yung nakafocus nyo. So, kung 5 lives weekly, that's 20 lives per month. Guys, grabe, ang dami yung pera. Ang laki ng plan B nyo. So, kung 3 lives weekly naman, that's 16 lives per month. Diba? So, yan yung i-focus natin. So, if you want mas lower, kung mas konti yung lives, 1 life, pero 37,500. Diba naman ang AC. So, dapat ang kino-close nyo nun, times 2 yun na lang. Let's say mga 100,000, 80 to 100,000 premium per week. So, yun dapat yung mga tinitingnan yung figures. Gets ba, guys? So, ngayon na lang para mas madali, 3 lives sa 37,500 AC. So, dapat ang kino-close nyo, 12.5 or 30K premium. Focus kayo. 30K premium ng 30K premium dapat ang pinipresent nyo. Lagi. Hindi kayo bababa doon. Kapag hindi niya kaya, ang umalma, mahina. Yan. Ang umalma, talo. Okay? Learning so far? So, yan na. So, weekly, dapat nag 37,500 ako, 150 per month. Tapos, kapag ginagawa ko na siya monthly, diretso mag-MDRT ako this year. So, kung ano yung ginagawa nyo everyday, ano yung ginagawa nyo weekly, ano yung ginagawa nyo monthly, yan ang magdidikta ng bigger goals nyo. Okay, hindi po yan yung, okay, sa December na ako magtatrabaho, buong year naman ng MDRT. Diba? Sa 4th quarter na lang para bonus. No. Yung daily activities nyo, weekly activities nyo will determine your biggest or your bigger result. Yan siya. Okay? So, titingnan nyo ano ba yung ginagawa nyo lagi. So, kung ang ginagawa nyo lagi, nagre-reklamo, hindi tayo mag-MDRT. Ayan. And, syempre, let's proceed with the what. Okay, may time pa naman, may time pa. So, how pa lang tayo. So, with the what, mabilis na lang to. So, execution na po. Ayan. So, nagplano ka na, malam ko na weekly, ganito, 37,500, monthly, 150,000. O, naging plano na lang siya. Diba? Naging plano na lang. So, a plan without the action is just a wish. May quotes tayo ngayon. So, what is the execution? What we will do every day to reach the how for our whys. So, execution is the bridge between our goals and the result. So, yung iba, nag-stop na sa how, or why pa lang nag-stop na. Congratulations kung sa how hindi pa kayo nag-stop. Pero sa mga hindi mag-stop dito sa execution, mas congratulations. Kasi ito na ang totoong laban. Why and how is just dito lang sa isip natin. Execution is the action. And most of my kakilala dito, nag-stop na talaga. Execution. Okay? So, paano ba ang execution para ma-reach natin yung, parang pabaliktad tayo, no? Ni what, how, why. Determine muna natin yung bigger. So, ngayon, paano ba natin magagawa yung 150,000 per month para magkaroon ng brighter life ang family natin? So, ito na siya. Dapat, alam natin or ginagawa natin everyday ang tinatawag na sales cycle. So, syempre, hindi ko na to iisa-isahin kasi ito na yung magiging next topic natin sa mga susunod na session. So, prospecting, approaching, fact-finding, solution, closing, and sale. But the most important one is the prospecting. Dito mag-start yan. So, okay, alam mo na yung how mo, yung why mo and how mo. So, ito dapat pala ang ginagawa mong activities per day. Dapat nagmi-minimum 10 calls. Calls, guys, hindi message. Magkaiba po yung message. Kasi yung iba, oy, nakapag-message na ako ng 10 sa isang araw. Eh, lahat sinzone ka. Wala kang activity. So, mas madali ang calls per day. Actually, si BM, sa kanya ko natutunan, minimum 20 calls per day siya. Meron na akong kakilalang na Consistent Producers League. 15 meetings per week ang execution niya. 15 meetings per week. Ayan. So, dapat minimum 3 times golf a week. Ayan. So, alam ko si UM Janica to. Tapos, sa mga chats naman, dapat minimum 30 chats kayo per day. Dapat din, nagbo-booth manning din tayo. Ayan. Hindi pwedeng hanggang message lang. Dapat naghahanap kayo ng bigger prospect din. Dapat po guys, nagfa-financial planning tayo. And you should actively ask for referral. So lahat po 'yan dapat ginagawa ng isang isang advisor na gustong magkaroon ng bigger result dito sa team. And hindi lang po siya one day ha, every day. Okay, yung iba kasi yung maka naman ako na pag 30 chats na ako last Monday. First day na mga B, ano na? 'Di ba? Kapag FP naman ako last December, February na guys. So dapat meron na ulit na FP. Ayan.
Ayan. So, continuing with that, again, tama lahat ng sinabi ni UM Irish eh. Importante that there's something that you have to do about it. Lahat ng nandito, what we're showing you right now is what made us successful in this career. Okay? And sabi ko nga kanina nung umpisa, 'di ba? Success is actually repeatable, no? Kasi parang kung titingnan mo, most of the UMs na kami, most of the UMs, and siguro ito na, kahit kami ni UM Irish, we have done it consistently ever since nga, di ba, with our awards nga. It's because success nga is repeatable. The problem now with what happens with most agents is that they lose consistency. 'Di ba? After yun nga, yung iba nga, after mag-chat, tapos na, wala na, okay na, nakapag-chat na ako 'di ba? So, very important that you do this, everything. Now, some of this, I'll just expound on it lang. So, what is the Friday habit? The Friday habit is that, for example, for me, every Friday, alam ko na kung ano mangyayari sa schedule ko next week. Okay? So, ibig sabihin, every Friday, kumbaga hindi darating yung Monday ko ng, ano ba mangyayari sa akin this week? Sino ba ini-meet ko? Ano bang gagawin ko? Hindi. Dapat nung Friday pa lang, I've already have some meetings for my next week. I've already set it. Kung may mga butas man, edi yun na yung mga paunti-unting mga biglaan ng mga kliyente. And then, again, kagaya ng sabi ni Irish, 'di ba, na everyday sun life activity is very important. And I think that's why most of our SEC people, SEC, na mga agents, they become very successful because it has been an everyday activity for them to do the sales cycle, 'di ba? Ito, I always ask my agents with this one time management. What are your sun life hours? Ano ba talaga? Kasi reflecting on me lang as an agent, nung agent ako, nung wala pa kaming condo sa BGC, nasa Ortigas ako, from Antipolo to Ortigas, nandun ako na maaga, pero parang pupunta lang ako ng Ortigas, tas kakain, tas uuwi, wala na akong gagawin, 'di ba? Parang pupunta lang ako ng Ortigas para lang kumain, 'di ba? Pero sabi ko, lumabas ako para mag-work. Pero kailangan kayo, itong Sun Life hour, you have to determine na parang, for example, I will do minimum 6 hours of focus Sun Life activity in a day. Kailangan focus siya, hindi yung kumakain ka, nag-scroll ka sa Facebook. Kaya very important na kumbaga nagta-time blocking kayo. Pero at the same time yan, kayo kasi magde-determine yan eh. Kaya siya may question, kaya siya question because kayo magde-determine yan. Hindi kami mga manager nyo. Hindi namin pwede sabihin na ano to na, oy, mag 10 hours ka. Yun nga yung beauty ng work na to eh. You can do it anywhere and also at your own time. Pero ako, ang suggestion ko, dapat minimum nga mga 3 hours eh. Sa totoo lang ha. If you, especially kapag ano ka, there's no excuse if you're a full-timer though. If you're a full-timer, of course, 3 hours is so little. 'Di ba? Pero dapat kasi talaga to, bibigyan nyo siya ng oras. If you're a part-timer, imposibleng merong ano to, may mga kasi mga agents sasabihin nila hindi naman ako nag-okay dito. Eh kasi you're not even doing the hours of it. Ang tanong muna, ano bang ginagawa mo? Totoo bang nagbibigay ka ng Sun Life activity or 10 minutes lang talaga binigay mo? Kasi ang bilis lang naman mag-chat blast, 'di ba? What are you doing? And then the next one is the index card or bingo card or the one card system. So it's a system that tracks the prospects, no? Si SM Kids ang gumawa ng bingo card. Okay, so it's very helpful to track lang your prospects. And then social media posting, you should do it every single day, especially if hindi ka pa kilala ng mga tao na dugong dilaw ka. 'Di ba? Ako, sabi ko nga sa mga agent ko, I don't, I, di ako na-offend na ayaw akong i-invite sa mga Christmas party minsan at minsan sinasabi sa akin na, oh, walang Sun Life dito ah. It means I've already marketed myself really well na alam nilang Sun Lifer ako. 'Di ba? So, kumbaga, social media posting, let everyone know that you're a Sun Lifer. Hindi pwedeng secret agent. Mahirap. 'Di ba? So let your stories know, etc. And at the same time, same as with what Irish has said, Irish has said, you have to have new leads. So maybe it's from the gym, car groups, motorcycle. Ayan. So very, very important yon. Okay. So next slide, please. Ayan. So very important ang execution. Execution is the bridge between our goals and our results. So no action, zero results. Diba? All systems will remain just a system if not used. Laging sinasabi nga ni BM Cynthia na ang prospect list mo, pangalan lang yan kung hindi mo tatawagan. 'Di ba? So kailangan, ano to, or hindi mo i-chat, 'di ba? Lahat yan kailangan may execution. Kung ang goal mo is to become healthy for your kids, the system is, ayan, mag-gym, pero yung execution, pumupunta ka ba sa gym? Are you doing it? 'Di ba? Are you working out? Eto, 'di ba? Kasi ako nung nag-gym ako, nung nagkaroon ako ng trainer, ang laging sinasabi sa akin ng trainer ko, ano yung schedule natin? 2 to 3 times a week, MWF. Parang ganun, inaano na niya na ako ng schedule para ako, ma-train din ako na meron akong consistently na ginagawa. Hindi yung mag-gym ako kung kailang feel ko lang. Kasi never ko feel. Never ko feel mag-gym. Never. 'Di ba? At ganun din naman eh, kung we will just base everything on motivation na magtawag, na mag-chat, it will never happen. Nakakatamad. Nakakatamad siya. Pero if you have a goal na naset na hindi, ang sinabi ko sa sarili ko, may discipline ako na magti 3 hours ako minimum na Sun Life ngayon. Magtatawag ako ng 10 tao, magchat-chat ako ng 30, mag-approach ako. Merong numbers na ginagawa ka tuloy. Hindi yung parang bahala na, nasa Starbucks ako, gumastos lang ako. 'Di ba? So, very, very important yon. So the next slide and the last slide, before CUM Irish is that ito, very important. The result, it is our goals into reality. It transforms our goals into reality. And very, very, ano to, kumbaga parang people always see the result already. 'Di ba? Kunyari lang, if ang tao, lagi kong sinasabi yan kasi, 'di ba, syempre pag may taong pumayat, parang, yung puyat mo na, halalala, 'di ba, ganyan. Hindi nila nakikita yung everyday sacrifice na ginawa ng tao, yung pag-gym, yung pagkakat ng carbs, etc. 'Di ba? Kumbaga, hindi natin nakikita yung effort of how it was made. 'Di ba? So, ganun din dito actually sa pagsa-Sun Life. We sometimes see the results already. Pero ito yung kailangan nating gawin. And me and Irish has shared what we've done to become successful in this career. So we want to share some of the results of our hard work through the years, no? So yan si Irish.
Yeah, thanks, Ja. Ayan, so, but I have a question before we go to the results. Ayan, everyone. So, do you think ba, guys, with all the executions, the house, your why, do you think pag nagawa natin lahat yon, makukuha na natin yung result? Naku, na-check na natin lahat. Okay, alam ko na yung why. Alam ko na din yung how. Tapos, okay, alam ko na din siya at ina-execute ko na siya. Do you think yung result na gusto nyo ba? Or yung kaninang sinabi nyo na have a brighter life sa family ko, makukuha na natin? Hello, yuhu! Paano naman sa chat box? Do you think, guys? Uy, walang maling tanong ay maling sagot. Nagtatanong lang naman ako. Kabahan. Grabe, yes, yes. Yes, sabi nila. Yes. Okay. Dapat, yeah. So, meron akong isang nakitang sagot. Yeah. Yes, yes, yes. May na yes. 'Di ba? But, 'di ba sabi ko kanina may tumitigil na sa how. Ay, sa why pa lang. Okay, alam ko na. May iba naman, pag na-determine na yung how, lang, hirap pala. Hindi na nag-execute. May iba naman, nasa execution na. Okay, na-execute ko na. Napagod na. Ginagawa ko naman lahat, Sabi mo, 30 calls per day. Sabi mo, mag-booth manning. Sabi mo, mag-FP. Sabi mo nga, mag-stranger pa ako. Ginawa ko naman lahat. Pero bakit yung brighter life na goal ko dito, wala pa din? Diba? Kasi guys, alam nyo ba, kung meron tumitigil sa why, may tumitigil sa how, may tumitigil sa what, meron ding tumitigil na mga tao na wala pa yung result, nag-stop na. So, ito pa ulit ang difference ng mga successful na kakilala ko sa mga hindi successful. Yung hindi nag-stop. So, ang mantra natin, Star Magnolia, hanggat hindi ko nakukuha yung resulta na gusto ko, hindi ako mag-stop. So, ibig sabihin, kung wala pa yung brighter life na gusto nyo for your family, na gusto nyo for yourself, hindi yun yung cue para mag-stop. So, sabi nung isa sa nag-chat kanina, dapat you will do it consistently. So, balik ulit. Ano nga ba ulit yung why ko? Paano nga ba ulit yung how? Paano ko ba ulit yung what? Walang UM, wala naman ako ma-FP, BM wala naman talaga. Ano ulit? Hindi lang naman sila yung company, di ba? We have 100 million Filipino people. Oh, si Catriona pala, no? Huwag kang mag-stop sa isang nag-reject sa'yo. Huwag kang mag-stop dun sa isang company na hindi ka pinayagan mag-FP. Huwag kang mag-stop dun sa kakilala mo sa booth na hindi ka naman pinansin. Huwag kang mag-stop dun sa dun sa kamag-anak na nan-reject ka, 'di ba? Huwag kang mag-stop kung wala nang sumusuporta sa iyo kundi ikaw na lang. 'Di ba? Kasi ang daming reason para mag-stop. But guys, we all have the reason to push through. Kasi ang laki ng mga whys na sinabi nyo kanina. At pare-parehas naman tayo. Bakit ba kayo nag-Sun Life? Laging ganun eh. Yung part-time ako, kulang ang time. Then, dumihan mo yung time. Or mas ayusin mo yung time management mo. Part-time ka, pero full-time attitude. So guys, hanggat hindi nyo nakikita yung result na gusto nyo dito, don't stop. Even kung nasaan mang industry kayo, don't stop. So, ibig sabihin, pag wala pa kayo doon, kulang pa. Hindi pa enough. Okay? So, let me share naman ako yung mga resulta. Actually, hindi pa ito yung gusto ko talaga. Marami pa akong gusto for my family and for myself. But ito na yung mga result na nakuha namin. Ayan, so awards. Siyempre, ito yung pinaka-important. Grabe, luma picture. Ayan, so dapat update na pala to, no? Ayan, so be a consistent medallion awardee, Macaulay awardee, MDRT awardee. Ayan, so para, ayan, MDRT, taray. And then, ito naman yung mga result na pangarap ko naman, yung reason bakit mo kinukuha yung mga awards. Ay, nagka-business, cars, yung mga usual natin, di ba ba tayo nandito? Bahay for my family, And dahil tapos na ako dun sa family ko, di naman tapos marami pa akong ano sa kanila. For myself naman, travels naman, di ba? So, saan nyo bang travels gustong pumunta? Ayan. So, ako, yan yung mga bet ko. Japan, South Korea, and by the way, guys, these are all for free. O yan. So, nakapag-travel ka na, free pa. Di ba? And, ito yung isa sa pinaka na-appreciate ko sa trabaho natin. Yan, Ja, how young are you nga?
Ano
UM
na
Jack,
ako,
UM Jack, how young are
32.
you? 32, pero nung nag-Sun Life ka,
Magte-22.
di ba? Ay, same tayo. Ako naman, ako 20, magte-22 din ako nag-Sun Life. Currently, I'm 31. Turning 32 this year. Grabe, yung mga babies mo, yung SMGs, nagte-30 na. But, when you, when you,
20s pa lang kayo noon.
kaya nga mga nene pa, no? When you look back, di ba? We can, parang we can achieve, when you look back, yung 10 years na yan, 10 years na pala, 10 years na this year, 'di ba? Ano na yung meron kayo in 10 years? Yun na yung long-term goal. So, nung nag-goal ako when I was 21 entering this industry, these are all my long-term goals. Car, business for my family, house and lot. Kasi guys, kung alam niyo lang yung story ng buhay ko, ayan, wala po kaming bahay, nakikitira lang ako, 'di ba? Hindi ako lugi sa akin ang mga transportation dahil lagi ako naglalakad, ako nagta-taxi. Pero ngayon, di ba, si Sun Life, dinala ako kung saan-saan. So, nandito na ako, na-answer na yung long-term goal ko. Di ba? So, may another long-term goal. Kayo, 10 years ago, ano yung ginol nyo sa sarili nyo? Nandun na ba kayo ngayon? So, kung wala pa, don't stop. Kasi kami ni UMJA, kami ni Lesem, di pa nag-stop. Di ba? So, si UMJA naman. Ayan.
Dami
O,
pa,
siya naman
dami
ito,
pa,
o.
dami pang
Naging
gagawin.
model. Naging model sa UMJA, nag-magazine pa
Bata.
yan.
Kaya nga, ano ba? Ako ba mag-share screen?
Yes. Ay, hindi. Ito na lang. Ako
Sige.
na mag-next.
Sige. Ako, ayan, those were my awards, no? So, mahilig talaga ako. Nag-top advisor ako for health and accident kasi nga, favorite ko talaga ang Sunfit and Well. No? Na-release ang Sunfit and Well July 11, 2016. Naalala ko pa yan. Doon siya first na na-release. So, yan yung mga naging award ko. So, Sun Life do recognize it. So, next one, um, si Sun Life, kapag mataas ang mga nagiging award na mamagasin ka, so yan yung mga magazine, tapos ini-interview ka, tapos yan, iniikot-ikot yan. Ngayon kasi, video na siya. So, minsan, merong magazine, pero yung mga magazine na yan, nandun sa office ni BM. Nandun siya. So, next naman, my first ever trip to Europe was when I was 22. Ayan, so it was in Poland. Also Malaysia and South Korea and Balisin, those are all given by Sun Life for free. Next one also was Switzerland, Normandy, France, in Paris. This was also given by Sun Life for free. And then next one, yung iba nito halo na ng sa'kin. So si BM kasama ko siya sa Minilok Island, ayan, sa Siang, Cebu, sa south of France, and then Japan, and then Dubai, Sydney, ayan. So Dubai kami si SM Kids nun buntes kaya hindi siya nakapag-skydive, sayang. So yan, Melbourne and Sydney favorite ko. It's really good there. The next one, pinadala ko ni Sun Life sa Canada as well. So it was a dream come true to actually see the Niagara Falls. This was in 2023. And then Portugal in 2024. All expense paid then. Then the next one, sinenda ko ni Sun Life to Vietnam to give a talk there. All expense paid then. Always 5-star hotels. And then Nagoya, Japan. So that was the best trip ever kasi that was 1 week in Japan. Then nag-extend ako. Halos 1 month ako sa Japan nagstay, 'di ba? So parang kumbaga it's only possible through this work that you can do that kasi syempre kapag nag nag-ano ka ngayon, nag-trip ka, 'di ba kapag ano kailangan mo mag-leave, 'di ba? Dito sa Sun Life basta bigyan mo ng malaking AC and premium si BM tapos ang laban kahit isang buwan ka pa sa Japan. Ayan, 'di ba? So di na ako ginulo noon. Thank you Lord. So ganun naman ang usapan na ganun. The next one is Melbourne. Bumalik ako cause I wanted to watch Taylor Swift. So doon ako pumunta. Ito, on my own pocket money na yan, tong Melbourne na to. But of course, only possible if because of Sun Life. 'Di ba? Syempre, parang, kumbaga, parang I was given options on where I want to go because of what I'm earning here in Sun Life, 'di ba? And then yung Turkey was also given by Sun Life. And then the next one was Osaka, Japan, with the management team given by SMKs. And then my recent trip was with Taiwan with my husband naman. So it was really nice to be able to travel and not think about budget. Yung ganon. My first ever Japan, 2016, sinama lang ako ni BM. Alam niyo yung parang gusto niyong bumili ng something, eh wala naman akong pera nun, no? Ang hirap kaya. It's really fun to go and travel and be able to not think about, budgeting, 'di ba? Kasi you've worked hard for it, 'di ba? So, kumbaga, do the work already here. Kumbaga, lahat yan, it will all pay off. Sinasabi ko sa inyo, it will all matter in the end naman. The next one, the last one is my most favorite one, is actually being able to finally, buy my dream car. So, ano to, sorry narinig niyo yata nag-doorbell, my brother is here. Ayan, dumating ang aking brother. Nung 2013, ayan, 2013, pinaka-left, I was in college noon. I really wanted to buy a Mini Cooper. And it was one of my dream car. Ngayon, after pandemic, noong 2021, no, akala ko kasi ang aking father ay may sakit noon, nagka-COVID pa siya at lahat, at nag-flare up ang kanyang hyperthyroidism. So parang, I think the pandemic really showed us how life is so short, 'di ba? Nung parang sabi ko, sige, I wanna buy, it helped me na parang, sige, I wanna buy na yung Mini Cooper kasi at least may enjoy ng parents ko, namin lahat to. Kasi at the end of the day, parang yung kikitain ko namang pera dito, kayang kitain naman ulit. So at least may experience na. Kasi di ko na maalam noon time na yun, natakot ako, kala ko mawawala na ang aking dad noon time na yun, 'di ba? So, ayan. So I was able to buy my Mini Cooper. So ano to, na hindi ko na-drive. Ang nagda-drive niyan ay ang aking daddy. Hindi ko yan nagagamit. Okay. So yan, nasa kanya yan ngayon. So may Mini Cooper yan. And then siguro bawal mag-screenshot ha, kasi everyone here, alam ko yung mga pangalan nyo. So ito yung pinakamalaki kong kinita kay Sun Life. So yung next, that was nung the year 2020, so nung pandemic, 'di ba? Lahat ng tao walang pera, walang trabaho. Ang pinakakinita ko kay Sun Life, yung 9 million. So nung 2019 it was 7. Nung 2020 it was 9 million. So, yan ang pinabili ko kay Mini Cooper. Yan, noong 2020. So, magkaibang year to ha. Hindi to 7, tapos naging 9. No, it's 7 million, then 9 million. Noong 2021, nag-COT din ako ulit din noon. So, ganun siya. So, this was my earnings for a year. So, each year. Tapos, at the same time, wala pa dito yung mga ibang bonuses na binibigay ni UM ko noon, which is si SM Kiss and my BM, si BM Cynthia. 'Di ba? Ay si SM Cynthia pa lang siya noon, at may BM, si BM Jo dati. Kumbaga parang, I hope this one inspires you guys to do the work. Kumbaga, sabi ko nga dito, hindi niyo ako mahahagilap kasi I am very busy working and I want to work. I want to work so much na I want to give the best, kumbaga the best life for my family, 'di ba? And ganoon din si UM Irish din naman yung lahat na na-achieve niya kasi we want to be very focused on what we want to give for our family, 'di ba? Na parang kahit na pandemic noon, kahit na ang daming nangyari noon, we were so focused on our goal, which is to give the best life for my family, for our family, and also for ourselves, 'di ba? So, halo talaga siya. So, we fight for our whys, constantly learn on ways to reach your goals, and most importantly, do something about it. Hindi pwedeng tumigil tayo, guys. 'Di ba? Sinasabi nila, mahal ng bilihin, kaya yung mga tao hindi kumukuha ng insurance, 'di ba? Ganyan, etc. Nagkakaroon ng market problems, ganyan, ganyan. Guys, meron pa ring mga kliyente. Ang dami-daming pwedeng gawin. So, please guys, I hope this month would really push you to do something about it. If sobrang pinaglalaban nyo yung goal nyo na yan, dapat no questions asked, kumbaga, 'di ba? Kumbaga, you want to give everything to it. Kahit na wag naman sana there's another pandemic or something, you will do your very best to it. 'Di ba? Gaano ba kalalim yung dream mo na yan? 'Di ba? Kasi kung kaya siyang mawala in just a day dahil a bad day, hindi siya ganun kalalim. 'Di ba? So, yun lang naman, Irish, baka may kailangan kang i-add.
Yeah, before we end lang, since uso ngayon yung 2016, yung 10 years ago, parang look back guys, look back Star Magnolia. How was your life? Ano yung life nyo 10 years ago? And ano yung life nyo ngayong 2026? 'Di ba? Are you happy sa kung anong meron kayo ngayon? Parang always look back. Kasi yan yung parang magiging pattern nyo ulit sa kung saan kayo pupunta. Parang ganun, 'di ba? Kapag nga daw naliligaw kayo, dapat may pattern. Parang gumawa kayo ng pattern, 'di ba? Or hanapin nyo kung saan kayo galing. 'Di ba? Happy ba kayo sa mga nangyari? And ano na ba yung meron kayo? Or ano na ba yung ano na yung state natin ngayon? Are you happy with where you are right now? Kasi, dun sa ibang happy na, congratulations! Kasi you have another 10 years para mas pagandahin pa yan. 'Di ba? Ang dami pang pwedeng mangyari. And dun sa mga hindi pa, sabi nga, ito yung lagi ko ding nami-mention, na kung hindi ka masaya sa kung ano yung meron ka ngayon, it's because kung ano yung tinanim mo dati, maybe kulang pa. So kung ano yung current status mo ngayon, it's the result of your previous actions. So kung hindi ka pa happy or hindi ka pa contented or hindi pa ito talaga, hindi pa to, alam kong meron pa. Guys, make sure nyo na after 10 years, sa 2036, kung maglo-look back kayo ulit, make sure na this time, you will do your best. And when I say best, no excuses. 'Di ba? Don't stop hanggang wala yung result na gusto nyo. And syempre with God's guidance and grace yan, guys. Hindi nyo yan kaya alone, okay? Wag kayong magbida-bida. Kailangan with God's blessing and guidance and grace pa din yan, 'di ba? So, kung hindi pa kayo happy, let's make sure, 'di ba, sa lahat ng nakinig ng talk namin ngayon, this will be the start of yung execution para pag 2036 na, maybe kayo naman yung mag-share dun sa mga taong kailangan naman marinig yung testimony nyo. Kayo naman yung nandito na nagtuturo ng goal setting. And we pray na kung ano yung share namin ni UMJA, more than that pa yung ma-achieve nyo. Kung ano talaga yung gusto nyong marating for yourself and for your family. So, again, I am Irish Alarcon from Knights and UMJA from Favored. And I hope may na-impart kami sa inyo ngayong gabi. So, SM, the floor is now yours.
Okay, sige. Siguro unshare, paano ba to? Stop share. And then, siguro lang, I know it's overtime, 8:48, pero I'll just give at least 1 to 2 questions if may questions sila. Meron ba? Meron bang may question? Kasi kung wala, we can take a picture. Meron ba? May gusto bang mag-ask? Kasi I know there are lots of rookies in the room. Pero I know, mukhang hype na sila. Na-share nyo na lahat. And kung meron pa man, meron pa tayong other Thursdays. Ayan. Sige, thank you again to Janica and Irish for your sharing.
Thank you, mga managers. I'm here. Nakinig ako.
Yes.
Yeah,
It's
kahit
such
na busy ako. Thank you, Star
Again.
Magnolia, sa pag-attend. For sure, marami kayo natutunan, di ba? Kung yung 10 years ago na sinasabi kung ano yung ginawa nyo, meron pa kayong time na baguhin kung ano man yun. Yes, wala kayong gagawin kundi sumunod sa mga managers kasi napagdaanan na nila yan. Yes.
Agree. Ayun. So,
Okay,
it's at
Oo,
the...
thank
napagdaanan
you.
din namin ang sobrang rejection. And continuously, dahil agent pa rin kami, nagbebenta
Tsaka
din kami.
nakakaganda ang rejection.
Ay, sobra, nakaka-fresh. Ayun no, nakaka-fresh kahit wala masyadong makeup. May bali pa ako.
Oo, correct, correct. Ayan. So, siguro I'll stop the recording na.